Speak in Sindhi, baby.
He आयो खाना खा दो.
अरे वाह.
He doesn't know Sindhi, by the way.
ये क्या है?
छा पे ॻाल्हाए आहे.
अरे
तव्हांखे लॻंदो आहे कि मूंखे सिंधी न ईंदी आहे.
ॾाढो सुठो. Well done. Has he learned any Punjabi?
किदां हो?
What's the one word I taught you?
मीसणा. I keep teasing Rakul that when you get angry with me, that's your expression. ये देखो एक्टिंग करने का मौका मिल नहीं रहा.
हाँ, अच्छा.
तो जहाँ मिलेगा वहाँ करूँगा मैं अभी.
I come across as very stern or very like
खड़ूस.
When we started dating, he would say 30 minutes and take 2 hours. Then
नहीं,
you
नहीं,
say 2 hours, baby. Finish some work.
ऊपर वाले से डरो. ये गलत बात है. नोच रही है मुझे. Viewers, you can see.
This is Sindhi curry. This is methi matar malai without malai. Dal pakwan.
Made in Jawar.
He loves Thai bhaji.
Koki and dahi.
What
What a combination.
बेटा 2-3 कटोरी और लाओ ना सिंधी कड़ी के लिए. संतोष
पानी भी दो.
प्लीज पानी लेके आओ ना.
संतोष, अब तुम आ गए कैमरा पे. अब तुम्हारी शादी हो जाएगी.
संतोष is single.
पोस्ट लंच बॉस मणि का दूसरा. पोस्ट डिनर रात को या तो चिली चिकन या तो चिकन बोनलेस बिरयानी.
ऐसे थोड़ी 150 किलो हो जाता है.
She could be shooting in Dehradun, she could be shooting in Patiala, she could be anywhere in the world. My food reaches me on point wherever I am.
And it's very nice that you're vocal about it.
अभी तो रखा है.
तवा पास सचीव्या या मुस्कुराइव्या जगिंदो ना सुमंदो आए छा करमा थोड़ो घणो थींदो आए. Actually, I have to say that. I've never said that publicly.
इंडिया में रिवाज है to call newlywed couples to home for a meal. But today the tables have turned क्योंकि इस कपल ने बुलाया है कर्ली टेल्स को for a delicious Sunday brunch और उन सबको जिन ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया. वैसे आज मैं कुछ ज्यादा ही एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज आज मिलेगा जबरदस्त सिंधी पंजाबी फूड कॉम्बिनेशन. मतलब मेरे घर वाला खाना. पर देखते हैं मेन्यू में आज सिंधी कड़ी है या बटर चिकन. Let the food face-off begin on this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy Book 5 series. मैं मिल रही हूँ जैकी भगनानी and his wife रकुल प्रीत उनके घर पर. एक्चुअली घर नहीं, ये तो पूरी बिल्डिंग ही उनकी है. Let's go in to Pooja Casa.
Hi, Curly Tails. Welcome to our home.
Come on in.
Good to see you both.
I know.
Look at you both glowing.
So are you?
You also going, but my glow is her.
I can tell.
So-
I can never. I don't get these pickup lines only. These
मैं
study
तारीफ
gets.
कर रहा हूँ तुम पिकअप लाइन बोल रहे
Sorry. ये तारीफ वाली lines आती ही नहीं है मुझे naturally.
Well
Okay.
done. We need more Sindhis.
हो. Yes.
Have you converted her into a Sindhi or not yet?
Speak in Sindhi, baby.
ही आयो खाना खा दो.
अरे वाह.
Yeah. She's really trying.
Progressing. और आपने पंजाबी.
He doesn't know Sindhi, by the way.
ये
नहीं.
क्या है?
छा पे ॻाल्हाए आहे.
अरे
तव्हांखे लॻंदो आहे कि मूंखे सिंधी न ईंदी आहे.
ॾाढो सुठो. Well done.
Dado Sutto, I know. Very nice, very nice.
And has he learned any Punjabi?
किदां हो?
And what's the one word I taught you?
मीसणा.
Misra. What does that mean?
Very
Sly.
very sly.
Sly. I'm like I have to teach those flavorful words, ना
Yeah.
जिसमें मतलब वो मजा आता है कि मीसना, काइया, like that.
I think a beautiful home, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This was his party floor, like a den. It was grey in color. When you see the other side of the room, so it was, yeah. Like I mean, it looked like a bachelor stays here, and like just a bar, and like.
She's brought a lot of color to your life and your
Absolutely.
home.
Of course.
Isn't
Absolutely.
it?
Of course.
Absolutely.
तो दिखाओ हमारे व्यूअर्स को एक जल्दी से हाउस टूर करवा लो.
This is our living room, the more formal living room where we do our meetings or chill when people come. And you have a beautiful view there. There's a pool. Yeah.
Or she pushes me.
Yeah. Also.
When she's upset with me.
Also.
Ha!
There's a lot of beautiful artwork at home, and that's been curated by my mom, our mom, over the years.
I keep teasing Rakul that when you get angry with me,
This is how I know.
that's your expression.
But the thing is, I barely get angry with you.
Yeah, that's why.
Really? ये क्या है? ये तो wives का role होता है to get
हाँ.
angry
No,
without an
yeah,
explain.
no, yeah.
No?
He's very blessed.
Oh, right.
Yeah, but
right.
that's true.
This is the poolside area. We chill with friends. It's really hot right now.
What is the craziest thing he has done as a challenge?
So he'll say random things in front of, you know, if you're in a restaurant
Huh.
and I'm really hungry,
Huh.
so he'll call the waiter and say, my wife is really scolding me, next she will slap me, please get the food.
Oh my god.
I'm like, are you crazy? You know, and then he'll just he's holding my hand and suddenly there'll be somebody and he'll be like, hi. So he does all these silly things and
What happened is once we went to a restaurant, we were traveling abroad, so they said that, you know, now this restaurant ka waiting, it's 2 hours.
Yeah.
So I said, my wife, she's getting a nervous breakdown and there is, almost
Yeah, BP
panic
is
attack
low.
and all, her BP is low and, then you'll be responsible. If no, please take the table now. And then we go and sit and eat. So she said, ऐसे कैसे बोल सकता है? I said, तुमको खाना था, हमने बुकिंग नहीं की थी,
बिल्कुल.
तो मैंने तुमको खाना खिला दिया. Also I said, देखो एक्टिंग करने का मौका मिल नहीं रहा.
हाँ, अच्छा.
तो जहाँ मिलेगा वहाँ करूँगा मैं अभी. And whenever we want to send any messages,
Yeah.
we have the kabutars here.
yeah.
Full.
Welcome to Jackie's dry sense of humor.
As long as you get it.
Yeah, I do. I fell for it.
Yeah. There's Pooja Entertainment, Pooja Casa. I was very curious to know why Pooja.
Pooja's.
So my mom's name is Pooja,
Oh wow.
right?
Okay.
And my father believes that whatever he's become in life is
Yeah.
because of my mom's luck. So everything is on her name.
That's so
Yeah.
sweet.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah, lady luck.
Yes.
Yeah.
Clearly it's been working.
Yeah. Basically, she's the boss. We work for her.
Okay. ये कितने फ्लोर्स हैं?
5 floors.
अच्छा, आप हम्बल बन रहे हैं. मैंने देखा 5 से ज्यादा.
नहीं नहीं
हैं.
5 है 5.
So Rakul, how is it going? अब लग रहा है घर. I know बचपन में तो you've changed a lot of
Yes.
because of army background. Then shuttling between, South and Mumbai. Now finally घर वाली feeling आ रही है.
Of course, yeah. Of course. And see, I mean, घर वाली feeling तो even when I was shifting and I was transferring, that new place becomes your home. And to me, home is where your family is, right? Home is where your loved ones are. So yeah, of course.
How has life changed for you? कुछ बदला है आपके लिए या?
I had heard such horrendous stories कि अब तुम्हारी शादी हो जाएगी और अब तुम बर्बाद हो जाओगे और ख़त्म हो जाओगे और फिर honestly I don't feel zero difference.
Yeah, for both of us, touch wood.
मुझे ये चाहिए कि let's go back home quickly so that we can chill and chat and gossip.
And our evening time, like post that 9 o'clock, 9 to 10, 9 to 11, right before we sleep, is a time that we look forward to coming back and hanging together.
Basically, we don't feel claustrophobic,
Yeah.
which is the biggest problem, because what happens is that you generally cannot share anything and everything with your partner.
Yeah.
I think we both have given that comfort to each other.
And there's no insecurity also. You want to talk about your, things of the past, which partners get very, this thing about, nothing
Which,
like that.
in my case, there is no past.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really, Rakul?
Can you not see his smile?
अच्छा.
It's countless.
मैं इतना सीधा था पहले.
कितने सालों से जानते हो एक दूसरे को?
I think almost 5 years now.
5 years.
हाँ. We've heard Rakul's side of the story in a couple of podcasts. मैं आपकी सुनना चाहूंगी आज. कैसे पटाया आपने राकुल को?
रकुल, honestly, हम पहले बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बने, राइट? बिकॉज हमारा फंडामेंटल सेम है, विच इज़ फैमिली इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट, फिटनेस इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट,
Yeah.
health is very important. Individually I'm happy, individually you are happy, together we are happy here. I will not put that बोझ of my happiness onto you कि तुमने मुझे खुश नहीं रखा या तुमने मुझे नाराज़ नहीं किया. And same thing goes for her. So what happened is, first we became best friends. Then there came a point where she and me started hanging every day. Every day means she has to finish shoot, I have to finish shoot, and we have to, either she's at my place or I'm at her. एक point के बाद ये हो गया कि पैकअप के बाद मुझे आपके घर आना है, आप मेरे घर आ रहे हो, और हम क्या खा रहे हैं, क्या पी रहे हैं, क्या फिल्म जा रहे हैं, और फिर क्या वर्कआउट किया, all of that, which is very common.
And
Which-
also to add, sorry.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
It was, we used to
मेरी इतनी
hang.
मजाल.
It was to hang, and he would come with his friends. I would be with my friends, so it became like a big get together every day.
ये 5 महीने हो गए कि मैं डेली हैंग कर रहा हूँ, डेली हैंग कर रहा हूँ, डेली हैंग कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है?
But कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है.
और ये कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है और कुछ कर नहीं रहा है. Rakul thought I'm not straight.
No, this is what he thinks. I was like, why is this guy not making a move? Obviously, like you say something.
But there was some
I thought-
attraction, right?
Yeah.
मैं संस्कारी लड़का हूँ. नहीं. But on a serious note, I'll tell you, उसका जो असलियत ये था that I had so much love, respect and regard for Rakul as an individual of what she's achieved for herself, what I feel for her. I was in that phase where मुझे ये लगा कि if I'm not 100% sure that I want to marry her, I will lose her as a friend on a fling. Right? So till the time I'm not 100% ready to take this to straight marriage, no dating waiting.
Oh,
That was in his head.
That was in my head.
yeah,
And the day I felt, yes, she is the person for me,
yeah.
then rest is history. The funny thing is, me being a guy, I have decided in my head, but I have not communicated that to her.
2-3 months in Bombay, we were every day chilling together, having a lot of fun, making plans together. Then COVID lockdown happened, the third lockdown. Then for 2 months, we moved to Goa. My brother, his cousins, our trainer, everybody, like a group of 6-7 people, we moved to Goa for 2 months and we lived in this one beautiful villa. And so you just learn to coexist so beautifully with your most important people, right?
Yeah.
And so by then I was like, okay, there's romance, we're holding hands and all, we're like talking morning to night, but he's not said anything. Why is he not saying anything? So when we came back from Goa, like as a girl, and for me, I'm very black and white, so I need to know, are we dating? So I used to tell my friends, I said, you know what, he's not said anything, can we just make him say things? And by that time, he was in a phase, what he told you, which I was not aware of. So I remember I was going for this one outdoor for really long. I think it was Dr. G, I don't know which outdoor. And we finished dinner at his house only, and I was downstairs and he held my hand and we were walking, and I said, abhi kuch bolega, abhi lag raha hai mujhe, now he'll say that, okay, I'm going to miss you or whatever. And he held me, and then I looked at him and he said, I'm so scared. I said, what? That's what you're telling me? Really? Because I've always heard that people are scared of, like, I come across as very stern or very like, strict. Yeah. Khadus. Then after about 5 months of all of this, we started dating.
But आपने क्यों नहीं बोला?
मैं बहुत फटू. I cannot say. I could not. I was not in a position, and I also feel that I don't know what's his headspace, and I'm that internally I'm that shy girl who feels like the guy. I cannot be the one who's making the first move or saying something. You don't know what's the guy's headspace, right? And that also we got to know thanks to his sister.
Okay.
Because it was COVID timing, and after 4-5 months I used to hang here every day. So she one day just told him, he said, you know what, this is the third lockdown, and you need to stop having friends come over every single day, it's not safe. Me and my brother would come, and our friends would also come, and then he said, but she's not my friend, she's my girlfriend. And then he's narrating the incident to me. Okay, मैंने ऐसा बोल दिया. I was like, oh really? So we are dating. So I've gone to Honeydi and said thank you, because if not for you, he would have never, I would have never known where we are, And this
but actions speak louder than words, right?
True.
Which is what men say.
When they can't
women
confess.
need just about 6 months of dating, and he went and met my parents. Yeah.
So in short, this is my story.
Yeah.
अच्छा, parents वाली story. अच्छा, because it started. No, I asked her a question.
Yeah. So he has a problem that I gave a detailed.
Viewers, y'all are seeing this. ये हर जगह common है.
That if you'll ask me one thing, then I'll give you from the beginning.
अच्छा, शादी के बाद एक दूसरे के बारे में कोई ऐसी चीज discover की which you all didn't know before marriage?
No.
We knew everything. She loves my singing.
Yeah.
Yeah, like वो जो ट्रेन में हारमोनियम लेके जो भिखारी गाते हैं ना.
बस मेरे सिक्के देने बाकी होते हैं सुबह सुबह.
Because क्या, when I'm excited, Like when I'm happy.
Yeah.
Like when I'm happy, I've cracked a good deal or there's some good film or whatever, right? So I start singing gibberish. But the धुन is शेरडी वाले, वो सुर वो पकड़ता है.
So I'm going to ask few questions. तो आप दोनों में मुझे बताना है who's the one who does this, okay? Who leaves the wet towel on the bed?
Neither.
No.
Who takes longer in the bathroom and still says 5 minutes और? Okay. But I know Rahul is so punctual. मतलब मेरा जब भी इनके साथ जब भी होता है इंटरव्यू, I have to be like,
Yeah.
you can't match up.
नहीं, because पहले क्या होता था, एक तो that's one thing which I have to say, she's brought this change in my life, is that you know we being from this fraternity, हमें ना एक गंदी आदत है. गंदी आदत क्या है? When you're 45 minutes away also, colloquially you say अभी बस 5 मिनट में पहुंच रहा हूँ, अभी निकला हूँ.
Yeah, because for me, it was very different. For me, if it's 13 minutes, it's 13. I can't say 15, I can't say 10, वो आता ही नहीं है. So when we started dating, he would say 30 minutes and take 2 hours. I'm like, then you say 2 hours, baby. Then you say 2 hours because then I will finish some work.
ऊपर वाले से डरो, ये गलत बात है. ये गलत बात है. उस दिन क्या हुआ था? There was a script narration going on in my office. So we were at the last leg of the thing, and I knew मैं यहाँ से खत्म करके 20 मिनट में पहुँच जाऊँगा. The script got over. The writer and director who bought the script started passionately discussing then the script after the narration for 1 hour.
If I were him, I would just say, excuse me, I had to be somewhere else, and I would drop a message. So it comes naturally.
हाँ, मैं वो सीख रहा
But now he's learnt
मैं
that.
वो सीख रहा
अच्छा, रूम का टेम्परेचर कौन डिसाइड करता है?
Same है.
सेम है.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
24 degrees.
टीवी का रिमोट कंट्रोल किसके पास होता है?
सब रिमोट कंट्रोल इसी के पास है.
He loves tech, right? So there's this app on the phone that you switch on the TV with.
Oh, yeah.
So when I
You not understand, you know the Gen Zs nowadays like me.
What is it? Automation?
Like me.
Sorry, automation, right? I was trying to find the word. So when we got married, I didn't have automation on my phone. So if he's not home, I can't watch TV in our room. So I was like, can you first please get some remote for this TV? If the Wi-Fi is down, then the automation doesn't work. So I'm like, we're so dependent on this freaking technology. I'm not a technology person. मुझे अभी भी ना on-off वाला switch पसंद है.
Okay, who says sorry first?
I think both
I
of
think
us.
we both say so.
Who's the one planning vacation?
It's only Rakru.
And I don't like it.
When you're in filmmaking, there is so much planning to do that, you know, planning takes you to work. You know, shoot करना है, वहाँ जाना है, 400 लोग जा रहे हैं, मेरा खाना नहीं आया. So, otherwise, before I was producing and I was only acting, I used to love planning.
I've only
I
heard
used to love
that
plan already.
because I met him in his
But you
producer
heard that.
hat.
You
Yeah,
heard that, right?
from you. Yeah, but that's true, baby. I've heard that from you
कोई
only.
इज्जत ही नहीं है.
I'm sure he'll be good at planning.
Yeah, but I tell him कि तुम मुझे प्लान करके पुणे ले जाओ, मैं बहुत खुश हो जाऊंगी. एक चीज को प्लान करो. Because see, for me ना, again, I'm a person who, if I'm planning something, it has to be proper. The other person has to enjoy. I'm not like I've planned and then you do what I have to
No,
do.
the proposal, how I planned, did
Yeah,
you get to know?
that you planned.
Oh.
कैसी बात कर रही है
That
यार?
you planned. Right.
मैं परसों एयरपोर्ट भी गया था इसको पिकअप करने. And she was so happy and shocked that she was not reacting only. Because she was in shock.
Yeah.
कि अरे
Yeah, I couldn't believe it only. I was like, इसमें कुछ scam है. ये बीच में कुछ ना कुछ काम करने आया था. ये इसने D route ले लिया है कि चलो ठीक है यहाँ हूँ तो pick up कर ही लेता हूँ. But no, he actually made the effort.
That's very sweet. So we're going to play a memory game.
Okay.
With my Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360, I'm going to be dragging and dropping some images on Samsung Galaxy S10 Ultra tab using the drag and drop multi-control feature. तो आपको बताना है उससे रिलेटेड आपकी क्या मेमोरी है.
Okay.
Okay, let's begin with.
ये तो जो photos निकाली हैं, these are like.
These are gems.
Even I have not
aren't they?
seen this image.
Is that you, Jackie?
Yeah.
मतलब क्या weight था आपका? काफी
150.
cute लग रहे हो.
At my peak, I was 150 kgs.
Wow. Okay. And how old were you back then?
This time, though, I was 16,
He started losing weight when he was 19, 20, 19.
19. So this was basically around Tera Jadoo Chal Gaya.
Okay.
And she's Kirti Reddy, and she was my first.
Crush.
Yes.
Oh, really?
But she didn't know. And then when she got to know, then she used to just, you know, tease me. So this is that picture where I'm, and this Abhishek Bhaiya has clicked this picture.
Then how did your weight loss journey begin?
Secretly, I always wanted to get into acting. But more than that, what was happening is I was the butt of all jokes. You know, everyone used to make fun of me. तो एक अंकिल थे, और वो मोटे भी थे. मुझे लगा यार ये अंकल तो मेरे जैसे ही हैं, तो मेरा मजाक नहीं उड़ाएंगे. बट उन्होंने एक मेरा मजाक उड़ाया, which was the trigger point for me. उस टाइम पे a film had come couple of years back called Mr. and Mrs. खिलाड़ी. उसमें योकोजुना था. The producers had spent a lot of money back in the day. अब तो फिर भी इंटरनेशनल लोग आते हैं, and flown that guy from Canada. Okay. So there was this talk those days, यार बहुत पैसा खर्चा किया, हजारों रुपए खर्चे किए टिकट पे and this and that. So this uncle told my dad that अरे आप अगर ऐसी कोई फिल्म बनाओगे तो आपको तो पैसा खर्चे की जरूरत ही नहीं है, आपके तो घर पे योकोजुना है. That comment was the turning point for me. Where I said, yeah, बस अब हो गया.
और फिर कितने टाइम में आपने weight loss किया?
It took me 4 years.
Okay, but you were very diligent.
He removed 75 kgs from him to drop to 75.
Family pack to 8 pack.
Wow. And I think that's one thing that you both bond on.
We both became friends because of that. I feel like it's a lifestyle, right?
Yeah.
You can't be with someone whose normal food is eating butter chicken, if that's their lifestyle and I eat healthy, then what will we ever come together on? Because food is a very important element. 3 meals you're eating in a day, right? And the first time we formally met for a meeting, I'd met him. So we connected on how much we love working out. Even when we go on holidays, we want to work out. Healthy is our lifestyle. It's not like we're doing it out of compulsion, but we like eating clean. हमें पसंद है कि हम nutritious खाना खा रहे हैं. And that's what we became friends on, because I used to think there's one psycho and then I met another and I was like, wow, this is amazing. ये बहुत ही funny story है. Basically, he was shooting in Ladakh for Ganpat and I joined him in the last 5 days of shoot, before they were wrapping a schedule. तो हम लोग सब छुट्टी वाले दिन पे ट्रैक करने गए. So I love trekking, I love outdoors. So this was Jackie's first trek with me.
Like this kind of trek, yeah.
So it was a...
Like I've gone to Vaishno Devi.
Yeah. But this was a 12,000 feet ke ऊंचाई पे, like a incline trek. And in the middle of nowhere.
And Ladakh, not like normal.
So the altitude is higher, and this is called Moonland because this place looks like the craters of a moon and all. So this place was called Moonland. And we have a very funny story with this because the guy who was who took us for trekking, he said ये 3 घंटे का रास्ता है, 2 घंटा चढ़ने में लगता है, 1 घंटा उतरने में लगता है. So we said perfect. Now हम 1 घंटे में चढ़ गए because both of us are fast walkers. So he said अब तो आप आधे घंटे में उतर जाओगे, you'll finish the whole trek in under 2 hours. So when we started getting down, we couldn't find the road. आधा घंटा, 1 घंटा, 2 घंटा, 3 घंटा.
It was a dried channel of a river, and he lost his way. तो वो 3-4 घंटे से चले जा रहे हैं, कुछ और ऐसा नहीं है कि 4 घंटे हो गए. वो शहर
नहीं दिख रहा, सड़क नहीं दिख रही, फोन के नेटवर्क्स नहीं है. जैकी की फर्स्ट ट्रैक है मेरे साथ, ठीक है. Anyways, he was like, what is this madness of wanting to trek at 12,000 feet? And he came for me. And that guy is just on his call with walkie-talkie. Hello, no network, sir. I'm like, you don't know.
Luckily, उसमें एक comment बहुत अच्छा आया. क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, हमने दोनों पेरेंट्स को नहीं बताया है, हम ये ट्रैक करने जा रहे हैं. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, मेरे 500 लोगों की टीम गणपत की बैठी हुई है, शूट कर रही है. मैंने उनको बोला था कि मैं लंच तक आ जाऊंगा. So they must be wondering ये कहाँ गया. तीसरा, they said that कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हमारे पास एप्पल है, फ्रूट्स है.
मैंने बोला था
रात गुजारनी पड़े तो उतना खाना है. मैं बोला 1 सेकंड, रात गुजारनी पड़े मतलब.
No, that I said because I was like, no, before he gets very, I says, baby, we have protein bar, we have dates, we have nuts, we have water.
कोई डेट पे नहीं जाना मुझे.
So, but luckily after about an hour we did find the road.
After 4.5 hours we
found the road and we got network and we called our cars there. We sent them our location, and then after that I don't think Jax has gone on a trek like this with me. This is now. We'd gone for the celebration of our first anniversary to Maldives with our full family, my parents, my brother, his parents, sister, everybody. So the whole fam went for our deferred 1 year anniversary celebration because I was shooting for De De Pyar De.
Tell us about the proposal story also, जो आप बता ही रहे थे. कैसे प्लान किया था आपने वो?
Every girl, I had a mandate शादी फिक्स हो गई है, ये सब चीज़ें तो अच्छी बात है, बट टिल द टाइम यू डोंट प्रपोज, आई एम नॉट
Walking down the aisle.
walking down the aisle, right? So, to give you context कि हम कितने सिमिलर हैं, मैंने कोई बैचलर पार्टी नहीं ली और रकुल ने कोई स्पिंस्टर्स पार्टी नहीं ली. We combined. A lot of people ask me, यार बट अरे बैचलर, मैंने बोला मुझे ऐसा कोई चीज़ नहीं करनी है बैचलर में जो मैं रकुल के साथ नहीं कर सकता. मैंने लाइफ में सब कर लिया. So, bachelor party and spinsters.
Yeah, we had a combined bachelor.
We had a combined
What
thing.
kind of a bachelor party is that?
We can go crazy together. We were 22 people on our bachelors. His friends and my friends. So the amount of fun we had, and for 10 days, 9 days. Yeah, okay, guys.
So, viewers, you can see. So, नोच रही है मुझे. So basically, we all went together, and there, her friends, my friends, everyone, right? We had pre-decided that इस trip पे we will propose, and all 25 people knew she didn't know. She is so structured कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं करते हैं जो ये पकड़ ले. एक hope against hope तो होता है कि यार शायद इस trip पे हो, because इसके बाद तो शादी है सीधा. So I said यार जितना laid back रह सकते हैं ना उतना laid back रहते हैं चीज़ों में, so that she doesn't catch it. तो मैंने ना लीडर बना दिया भूमि को. Right? भूमि तुम लीडर हो. Because suddenly otherwise she'll say सुबह 9 बजे breakfast organize किया है, we already have a villa, हम ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं, right? So I said भूमि, you say that you have hosted one breakfast. अब पूरी planning तो पीछे से मैं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? भूमि is the front, ठीक है? अब भूमि कभी टाइम पे नहीं आती, ठीक है? तो मुझे उसे उठाना पड़ रहा है, अरे उठाओ उसको भाई, पब्लिकली वो होस्ट कर रही है ब्रेकफास्ट पर, चला हम पहुंचे भूमि नहीं है, तो वो केओस भी चल रहा है, ये केओस भी चल रहा है. एंड इन ऑल ऑफ दैट आल्सो व्हाट हैपेंड इज, एक्चुअली आई हैव टू से दैट, आई हैव नेवर सेड दैट पब्लिकली, दैट वन ऑफ माय डियरेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, विशाल मिश्रा, राइट, ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंपोजर्स वी हैव इन दिस कंट्री. आई कॉल्ड अ नाइट बिफोर. He and me spoke for half an hour. What do you want? I said, I want this, I want this, I want yeah, all of that thing. And to give him credit, he stayed up all night, and just 1 hour before the proposal, he sent me the song.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
We'll play it to you, I think.
Yeah. Please do.
And then the whole thing, where we started walking, and as soon as I bring her in, guys, you know, first play the Tanish song, so that way she'll know, oh, it's a proposal. As soon as that song ends, we'll play Vishal's song, where I go down on my knees with the ring and I sing, "Will you marry me?"
Yeah.
That's how. So it was a whole filmy.
Acha, now
fantasy.
and to add to this, the most fun part was, now all my friends are thinking, how do we get Rakul to get ready? You know, it's a proposal. Otherwise, I was wearing shorts, t-shirt. We're going to the beach for breakfast. You know how you're on a holiday. So Bhumi's called me, bro. Yeah, we'll click pictures. Tell Jax to wear something nice. I said, oh God. Now Bhumi loves to dress up. You know, she's a girl. Like she loves. So I told him, I said, yeah, Bhumi is saying we click pictures. Matlab, she's going to be full ready. Matlab, I'll also wear something. So I washed my hair. My hair's still wet, and I wore one dress with sneakers and a backpack.
Yeah.
So that was my version of getting ready. Yeah, this is from
The Bachelor.
this is
Yeah,
from the
this is from
Bachelors.
that trip.
Okay, of course you guys had great fun और मुझे भी बहुत मजा आया आपकी स्टोरी सुनकर. अब थोड़ी भूख लग रही है.
बहुत भूख लग रही
बहुत
है.
लग रही है.
Let's go and eat.
चलो, let's see आज मेन्यू में सिंधी खाना है या पंजाबी खाना
There's a
है.
mix of Sindhi and Punjabi,
Oh,
but with the
amazing.
twist of how we eat it, everything in a healthier way. Welcome to Sindhi and Punjabi combination of food.
Smells
Thank you,
so
Rakul.
good.
Thank you so much.
This is our hanging space. This is more like, you know, when our friends come or even certain meetings, sometimes both of us are working from home. So then he takes this space and I take the earlier space up, you know, for narrations and meetings. But this is mostly where we chill with our friends also.
The food is taking all the attention right now. I can see some familiar dishes. Of course, you'll know, right? I'm Sindhi.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Yeah.
And you're married to a Punjabi.
I'm married to a Punjabi, yeah.
Dal pakwan ka dal. So the thing is that a lot of people feel that, you know, you don't eat dal, roti, sabzi when you're on a diet. Actually, this is all healthy, you know. It is a big myth that you should eat salads and grills and boring food and that's the only healthy thing. So this is dal pakwan ka only dal kuch pakwan is fried. We generally air fry it, but abhi aaj nahi kiya humne. This is Sindhi curry, you know, with rice. This is the Sindhi. This is methi matar malai without malai.
Without malai. Yeah, acha.
So the creaminess is from paneer. So you blend paneer, low fat paneer, and then you make the paste out of that and you cook the methi and the matar in that. So that's my...
So the beauty about that is, you know, there is protein also in it, right? So it's not just calorie, it's very well thought out.
Yeah, and this is like no butter chicken.
No butter chicken. ये कैसे हो सकता है?
इसकी recipe ये है that, you know, you have to, of course, tomatoes and all of that is there. We go very little on our content of oil that we use. And इसमें एक दो cashews जाता है just for flavor. But otherwise, it's just cooked well. Okay. And this is our healthy koki.
Oh, koki.
Made in Jawar.
Koki made in Jawar.
Yes.
अच्छा.
अच्छा, best चीज़ क्या है that, you know, dal pakwan, of course, pakwan is maida and fried, so we avoid that. It's boiled dal. There's 1 teaspoon of ghee ka chok, and ghee is actually very good. If eaten
all our
correctly,
food is cooked
right?
in ghee.
The most dangerous thing in life to eat is palm oil.
Yeah.
मतलब it's suicidal.
Full khana ghee mein banta hai. There's no other oil that is allowed unless you are making something which requires coconut oil. Olive oil mein to cooking karni nahi chahiye because uska smoke point is very low, so you can't like do tadkas in olive oil. Beta 2-3 कटोरी और लाओ ना सिंधी कड़ी के लिए. संतोष,
पानी भी दो.
Please पानी लेके आओ ना.
So Santosh in the frame came and then stood in the corner like this. So he's in the frame.
By the way, he's acted with me in one video. I made them all act. Yeah, I was shooting some content.
राजकुमार संतोषी सर, अंदाज अपना अपना में ना वो वाला सीन है ना आमिर सर का, वो अल्फा टू ओमेगा एंड गोल, ठीक है. तो इस पे क्या था, he said that एक एक करके everyone had to react. कि सबका एक सीन था, विजय खोटे सर का था, वो सारे सबका था, राइट. उधर वन ऑफ द एक्टर्स, आई विल नॉट टेल द नेम अदरवाइज आई विल गेट फायर्ड, बट वन ऑफ द एक्टर्स ये था कि पहले रकुल रिएक्ट करेगी फॉर एग्जांपल, फिर काम्या करेगी, फिर जैकी करेगा, ठीक है. और फ्रेम चालू है, तो राज सर सेड दैट रकुल, काम्या, जैकी. बट हो क्या गया, इस एक्टर ने काम्या के, जैकी ने रकुल के पहले रिएक्ट कर लिया, डायलॉग बोल दिया, तो सीन चल रहा है एंड ही सेड समथिंग एंड ही वेंट लाइक दिस एंड देन frame is on, so he's thinking no one is seen, but the frame is on, so he's gone and then he's waiting for his dialogue. So Raj said cut अरे कैमरा पे कैप्चर हो गया तुम्हारा यार. तो संतोष ने ये हरकत करी है. संतोष अब तुम आ गए कैमरा पे, अब तुम्हारी शादी हो जाएगी.
संतोष इज सिंगल.
She's asking आपकी शादी हो गई? गर्लफ्रेंड है?
So you like the koki?
I love koki. So I got introduced to koki only after meeting Jackie. I didn't know what is koki. I didn't know what is Sindhi food actually, even the dal and everything.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ कोकी कहाँ पहुँच चुका है, ठीक है. कि कोकी मॉम डैड इन दिल्ली, रकुल्स पेरेंट्स प्रेफर कोकी ओवर मिस्सी की.
Yeah. So my mom
कोकी वहाँ पहुँच चुका है.
Same at my house actually. घर पर सिंधी कड़ी अब राजमा चावल से ज्यादा बन रहे हैं. This is really good guys. बहुत अच्छा खाना है. And this butter chicken without butter, I want the recipe.
I'll tell you.
आपको साई भाजी के बारे में पता है?
He loves Thai bhaji.
Is that your favorite?
His favorite. I didn't honestly take to it as much as he loves it.
Oh, is it?
I took to the dal and the.
But आपके यहाँ पे I've heard kitchen garden भी है where you all grow your own vegetables and all. Is that right?
Yeah. On the terrace we are growing whatever vegetables we can. तो उसमें कभी करेला निकलता है, कभी ब्रिंजल, कभी
कद्दू we are trying, पालक we have.
पालक we have.
तो साई भाजी यहीं से बनती है.
लाल माट.
लाल माट पालक सब ऊपर बनता है.
Yeah.
तुरई, दूधी, मिर्ची, धनिया, पुदीना.
Is there a reason आप लोग ने कोई passionate है घर पर for this or any reason?
It's actually very interesting that we came across this article that India is becoming the world cancer capital because of the pesticides, fertilizers, and you can't blame anyone because you know, the yield which is needed for the money the farmers are making is so less that they want to do everything in their power to increase the yield, right?
Of course, yeah.
So we realize यार हम health, fitness, diet सारी चीजें कर रहे हैं, but अगर ingredient ही सही नहीं है तो हम कैसे you know उसको how do we, so we are lucky that we have little space ऊपर, तो उसमें whatever little bit we can do we try and do.
So that when we had our first produce, I remember हमने ना बैंगन आया, so they said इतना सा बैंगन आया. I got this बैंगन masala made. And Jackie and I are not people who eat so much बैंगन, but we loved it. फिर हम इसने 3 दिन बाद बोला can we make that बैंगन again? So I told them. So I didn't know वो खत्म हो गया है. So they got from the market and they made बैंगन. I can't tell you, Kamya, that when you start eating, when you eat that and then you eat the normal food, you're like, we are eating poison.
Yeah.
It's like plastic. You know, जब तक आपने घर का उगा हुआ नहीं खाया था, हमको भी नहीं realize होता था ये. So after that we got some more vegetables done, and the idea is to eventually we are the kind of people who want to have this and have a farm and you know like do it on our own.
And also do it in a way where people can benefit out of it.
Right. Wow, very interesting. And koki and dahi.
What
a combination!
Is the best.
अच्छा,
कोकी अचार and
इसमें
दही.
मैं एक ट्रिक बताता हूँ.
हाँ बताओ.
जवार का कोकी, so primarily healthy, and Greek yogurt. So this combination is fully a pौष्टिक food.
Healthy and tasty.
So on the day on Sundays you feel like eating a little more.
Wow.
So protein comes from your Greek yogurt, anda bhuji, and koki, or just sometimes koki, achar and dahi. It's so satisfying.
Yeah.
See, the problem is not with koki or with dal, or it's the quantity you eat. If you eat 4 cookies, वो भी problem है.
What is? How many can you have?
2.
Both of you.
We can have. Actually, I can have, as per my plan, 1.5. You can have 2. If I have to tell you.
जब चीट मील करना होता है, जैसे go all out, तो वो कौन सी डिश है?
तब तो हम कुछ भी खाते हैं. से कौन सी डिश है?
But हमारा चीट भी ना, honestly मैं बताऊं,
वो भी हेल्दी होता है.
हेल्दी नहीं, in the sense हमारे हिसाब से वो थोड़ा अनहेल्दी है, लेकिन हमारे बहुत सारे दोस्त बोलते हैं जिस दिन हमें क्लीन होना होता है हम ये खाते हैं कि अगर हम पिज्जा खा रहे हैं तो रागी बेस वाला पिज्जा मंगा लेंगे. तो दोस्त बोलते हैं यार हमको जिस दिन क्लीन होना होता है हम रागी बेस वाला पिज्जा मंगाते हैं.
I think our interview only I had said vada pav.
Bring in front of me a vada pav, and I should not be saying this. I know a lot of people love vada pav, but it's maida and it's aloo and it's fried and उसमें butter. There is no goodness to it.
Everyone comments नीचे. But we are similar thinking people कि हम cheat पे भी vada pav नहीं खाएंगे.
नहीं मैं खाऊंगा.
तुमने नहीं खाया 4 साल में.
मैं खाऊंगा.
she said मैं आलू और मैदा एक साथ डालूं अपने सिस्टम में, मुझे ये मंजूर नहीं. वो भी फ्राइड. What about chaat and all, like pani puri?
Top.
अरे धमाल.
Sundays he makes amazing bhelpuri and all ना.
Oh, you
भेलपुरी,
cook
डोसा,
also. मतलब वही.
only bhelpuri.
Only भेलपुरी. अच्छा. जिसमें कोई flame नहीं है, बस mixing
Bhelpuri
है.
नहीं, dosa he makes very well.
Oh really? अच्छा.
Very well. Like he'll make Szechuan dosa. और कौन सा?
मैं उसका भी क्या एक बैकग्राउंड है. इधर ना मणि का डोसा वाला होता था.
I know. हाँ.
And मंजू डोसा used to be his assistant.
Yeah.
ठीक है. तो मणि का डोसा, तो मैं क्या करता था, because I was this fat kid, तो मुझे क्रेविंग बहुत होती थी for a second lunch और a second dinner. तो लंच किया, अब 4:30 बजे मुझे दूसरा लंच चाहिए.
No.
और मैं अगर घर पे बोलूँ भूख लग रही है, बोलेंगे कितना मोटा हो रहा है. So I used to go to मणि का डोसा every day. And I used to stand there, imagine this मोटू kid, ठीक है, और वो पिगी बैंक से 100-200 रुपए लेके कुछ 30-40-50 रुपए का एक डोसा आता था. तो 3 भी खा लो तो in 120-110 and extra chutney and all of that. So standing there for 4-5-6 years, I saw and I learnt everything. कि सेजवान जिन्नी मिन्नी डोसा, सेजवान सादा, सेजवान मसाला, चीज मैसूर मसाला, सादा डोसा, सैंडविच उत्तपम.
Really?
Yeah, everything.
What is your take on the methi matar malai? You try it?
Butter chicken took all the attention.
You can't tell, na?
बिल्कुल मलाई नहीं है इसमें.
The gravy is paneer.
So like what? उसको
So पहले you
Mash
take
किया
your
हुआ है?
you grind paneer. You grind paneer. ठीक है, and then मैं पहले तो you make your अदरक, लहसुन, प्याज, all of that. Then you
Yeah.
put paneer in a mixer, and then you blend it. So now that's your curry, right? And then you cook methi and matar, and then you put everything together, and then you cook it till it all blends together and simmer. So your gravy is basically a high protein paneer gravy.
wow. This recipe is going to
So
come
on our
very
days
handy.
that you know he's vegetarian on certain days, or whenever we feel like eating vegetarian but we need our protein, have this with roti
Yeah.
because it's so high in protein, and you're sorted.
Basically Thursdays and Saturdays I'm vegetarian.
Okay. तब ये बनता है. So do you cook a lot? वैसे?
No.
Yeah.
ये वो जोक बोल दूं? ओके नहीं बोल सकता.
बोल सकते हो, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं.
कड़ी भी बहुत अच्छी है.
I don't cook. I don't have the patience to cook,
Yeah.
but I'm somebody who knows how everything is made.
Okay.
So I pseudo cook.
Kami, I have to tell you something on a serious note. That I, as a husband, have utmost respect for Rakul because of what she's achieved. Right? She's a working woman. She works very, very hard. Like my father, she started from zero and made everything of her life. Right? I've still got a platform and all of that. So I have a lot of respect for her. But I have to tell you, she could be shooting in Dehradun, she could be shooting in Patiala, she could be shooting in Timbuktu, she could be anywhere in the world. My food reaches me on point wherever I am.
So she will coordinate.
She will coordinate. She could be anywhere in the world shooting.
How sweet. Yeah.
Right?
And it's very nice that you're vocal about it.
No,
and you're
no, I'm-
expressing
and I-
it. I think that's very sweet.
And I've told her that.
तभी तो रखा है.
तभी तो रखा है.
No, but I told her that as a guy,
Yeah.
you always have help and you know, but I feel that thought is more than enough for me.
Of course. Yeah.
Banao, nahi banao,
हाँ.
doesn't really matter.
Yeah. But you've always lived in this neighborhood. बचपन
Always.
से.
Bandra boy.
तो आपने बताया मनीष के बारे में और कोई है अलग अलग फूड जॉइंट्स दैट वेयर यू हैव बीन रेगुलर.
अरे पहले तो शिवसागर था. अब तो of course बहुत सारे. I'm talking about 20 years back. शिवसागर था when we were all in school. अपना मनी का डोसा था.
हाँ.
Then पहला डोमिनोज खुला था.
अच्छा.
तो हमको लगता था अरे बाप रे क्या हो गया. Then there used to be this बड़े मियाँ जो हम रात को जाते थे.
टाउन में ना वो तो.
Yes. Then there was Cooper Hospital भुर्जी पाव
अच्छा.
and पाव भाजी. There were many places यार. मतलब एक ना इधर रेस्टोरेंट हुआ करता था पहले शीतल, अभी भी है.
या शीतल.
ठीक है.
उसका नंबर इसको मालूम है अभी तक.
बाय हार्ट है.
फोन कर करके
हेलो
ऑर्डर
शीतल.
पोस्ट लंच वॉज मणि का डोसा एंड पोस्ट डिनर रात को या तो चिली चिकन या तो चिकन बोनलेस बिरयानी.
अच्छा.
ऐसे थोड़ी 150 किलो हो जाता है. अच्छा संतोष मुझे प्लीज स्टीविया ला दो एक.
आप दोनों से बात करके मेरे मन में एक सवाल आ रहा है. डू यू थिंक देयर इज अ राइट एज टू गेट मैरिड और इज देयर वन?
Till the time you're ready in your head to get married, don't get married. There is no right or wrong. Right? I personally, as a woman, I'll say that yes, girls start getting worried, and this is the truth of life, that there is a biological age. But today science has done so much advancement that even that you can protect yourself. And when you find the right partner, whether it's at 20 or it's at 30, age is not important. The right partner is important because it's a journey of life. What is that sly smile?
मीसना
smile.
If it's not a value add to your life and it's actually becoming a toxic thing, right? One should not marry. This is what I feel because in today's day and age, like she rightly said, ऐसा कोई चीज़ साइंस आपको नहीं करके दे सकती है which for what you need a partner. You need a partner. पहले क्या था, फैमिली बढ़ानी है, ये करना है, there were norms, right? Of course, nowadays also lot of people believe and not believe. So I'm not going against anyone's belief or not belief. I'm saying जिनसे भी शादी हो रही है आपकी, that person should enhance your life. Now that enhancement किसी के लिए फाइनेंस है, किसी के लिए इमोशन है, किसी के लिए कंपैटिबिलिटी है. मेरे लिए इट वाज फ्रेंडशिप and I'm assuming for her also it was friendship because she's made so much money that she doesn't need me, you know, matlab, you know, she.
No, I think more than money, what happens is,
No, what I'm trying to say is that
you're independent.
who am I to judge anyone?
No,
For some people, they feel, you know, I want enhancement in finance.
Yeah.
So be it for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nee,
Right.
honestly, आजकल मतलब because women are working,
Yeah.
I don't think money has been
No,
a
and it's
reason now.
independence. I think what
Yeah.
happens
No, I'm
is,
saying even for guys.
Yeah.
I'm saying क्या है, हम ना इसमें आ जाते हैं कि यार ये सही है, ये गलत है. Who are we to decide सही है और गलत क्या है? मेरे लिए ये सही है, मुझे ये रिक्वायरमेंट है. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके लाइफ में एक पार्टनर आ रहा है जो आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरी कर रहा है और आप उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरी कर रहे हो, that's what a marriage is.
But there's other thing also. अब जैसे आप काफी टाइम तक इंडिपेंडेंट रही हैं.
right.
You've been living alone also.
Right. Yeah, 10 years. I left home when I was 20.
Hmm.
Okay, and 12 years I was living alone before I got married. And I think Jackie is also, we're not 21, 22 when we got married. Both of us had become our individual people, personalities. We have certain likes and dislikes. We like to do things a certain
Fully
way.
developed.
Fully developed. You're not in that transitional age,
Yeah. Or
right?
flexible, right?
So, that maturity kicks in. So when we met, our first date conversation was, listen, I am this person, you are this person, which he said earlier, that I'm not filling a void in you and you are not filling a void in me.
Yeah.
We are happy as people and together we just have to add value to each other. We're happier.
Wow.
I would like to say that evolvement and maturity has nothing to do with age.
Yeah.
ये आपको 21 साल की उम्र में भी आ सकती है या ये आप 60 साल की उम्र के होगे तो भी आपको नहीं आ सकती. So there are two different things. We were just lucky that I met Rakul, who was so evolved, and she thought I was evolved too.
Likewise,
But
yeah.
ये भी हो सकता था कि भाई मेरे baggage है. Say hypothetically about my ex-girlfriends. She knows everything. If I get a call also, I answer in front of her. We laugh. She's sitting next to me. I give the phone to her.
Yeah.
तो मुझे कुछ अब प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है? अरे आपके एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड का फोन क्यों आया? कुछ है नहीं. तो देन क्या होता है? A human being, what they do is, किसका फोन आया था? नहीं वो किसी दोस्त का फोन आया था.
Stop.
Insecurity.
That one lie which was not needed, because it's not like you're doing anything wrong. But that one lie, then you cover up with another lie, and then you don't know where the truth was anyways. Then that compulsive lying becomes a part of the relationship.
Right. But
The
there is that
insecurities
is,
in a relationship kill it. You know, I think main foundation is trust. Yeah.
Communication.
Communication and trust.
both of you have your independent careers as well, right? एक दूसरे से career advice लेते हो? Like
हम
say-
एडवाइस आई टेल यू कैसे लेते हैं
हाँ.
कि यार आप अपना करियर, यू आर एन इंडिपेंडेंट पर्सन, आप अपना करियर चलाइए. आपको जहां भी चाहिए मेरी जरूरत है. यू डोंट इवन नीड टू आस्क मी, आई एम स्टैंडिंग राइट बिहाइंड यू, एंड वाइस वर्सा. Right? That's how we operate, I think.
Yeah.
Like if you have to sign a film, would you share it with Jackie before
Only if
signing?
she wants to.
Yeah. Not that I have to ask him.
Yeah.
But I tell him that, you know, I heard this story and I think it's really nice. What's your take? So sometimes then he'll give me his take. And then he'll see that excitement in me. So, you know, we
Yeah.
share like that. But the decision making finally for his or my, you know, workspace is with us. He's never going to force me. I'm never going to force him, you know, to do things a certain way. Should I call for the dessert? Healthy dessert?
Yes, sure. Healthy dessert.
Santosh?
I'm curious to
It's
see.
gajar ka halwa made
Made
in
in-
almond milk and stevia.
And nothing
there's-
else.
And nothing else.
It's amazing how आप लोग ने हर चीज का एक healthy version बनाया हुआ है
So
and
we-
delicious too.
Yeah, so stevia is the only sweetener that we have because it's a plant extract.
Yeah.
And it doesn't spike your insulin and it doesn't play, so no sucralose.
So no sugar for you guys. Y'all don't have sugar.
We try and
So
avoid
once
that.
in a
Okay.
while is okay.
I have had a great time chatting with you all, but we have a fun segment. You guys have to interact with a fan on Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360. We have Jeel who's joining
Hi,
us.
Jeel.
Hi, Jeel.
Hi Jeel, how are you?
I admire a lot as a couple. Who is the more filmy one? If you want to break in like into a Bollywood dialogue or do a dance step, so what are the
He's more
who
filmy.
would do it?
He's more filmy. He knows dialogues of films and he's like, तुम ये क्यों बनी हुई हो, तुम जुदाई का परेश रावल क्यों बनी हुई हो, तुम ये, you know, something he'll say. He's more filmy.
Judai Paresh Rawal is iconic.
See, when she asks me so many questions ना, so I say तुम जुदाई की परेश रावल क्यों बनी हुई हो आज यार?
What is the best relationship advice you'll have ever got?
Have got. I think that's what we give people. We always tell people that individually she is happy, individually I am happy. We don't burden each other with तुमने मुझे खुश नहीं रखा, तुमने मुझे नहीं किया. But together we are happier. That's the best advice we would give or got from each other ever.
And the key to any successful relationship is good communication.
Yeah. So have a good cell phone.
And very important is a good sense of humor, so that you have entertainment fully. घर पे 24/7 entertainment.
You guys are so sweet. Love you all.
Thank
you. Lovely talking to you, Jeel.
बहुत मजा आया. अभी मैं जाती हूँ, आप लोग काम कीजिए, मैं स्विमिंग पूल में जाती हूँ. I'll spend a day here. काफी सारे फ्लोर्स एक्सप्लोर करने हैं मुझे यहाँ पर.
Please.
तवा enjoy.
कयो. Well done.
You know, I had a sign-off note. I told Karan once that I learned Sindhi because of कुछ कुछ होता है. Right? So he said, what are you saying? How is that happening? तवा पास अचीव्या या मुस्कुराइव्या तवा मुखे छा छा सपना फिर क्या था या दिखाड़े व्या हाणे त मुंहिंजो दिल जगंदो ना सुमंदो आए छा करा मां थोड़ो घणो थींदो आए.
That's the only Sindhi you know, let me tell you.
थोड़ो घणो थींदो आए. Very good. I'm very impressed by your Sindhi.
He's rattled. That's the only Sindhi he knows. I'm telling you.
रिश्ते में हम तुम्हारे पति लगते हैं.
This is amazing, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.